Ladies and gentlemen, especially you gentlemen, this is your friendly reminder that Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And if you're like me with a busy schedule and scrambling last minute, then this message is for you. I'm Jenny at the Del Real Group with your featured Friday highlighting Nothing Bundt Cakes. They are celebrating their 25th anniversary this year, and they are known for their rich, moist, delicious cakes. Their most popular flavor is chocolate chip. My personal favorite is lemon, but if you're looking to spice it up on Valentine's Day, I would suggest red velvet. Check it out. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed your tour of Nothing Bundt Cakes. I couldn't leave without a souvenir. For more of our videos, check out our social links below.